Bing! Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Yay. Say hi to the camera, quick.
Oh, yeah.
Like, ah! Fuck. Oh, pretty.
Pretty cool.
Is that it?
Yeah, there's one shot.
Oh. Oh, wait. Wait for it.
All the ones at the front.
I love how you're smoking while you're doing this.
Sure, this is even funny when I watch my granddad and my uncle do it, did I tell you?
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, 2 24-stone men running down a pathway like,
Oh, he almost had it.
Anyone first aid trained?
Yes, actually.
There you go then.
Not that I'm going to save you all, yeah. But it is technically, I have to let you know that I'm first aid trained, but I don't actually have to help you, which I think is kind of arsehole-ish, isn't it? Yeah, I'm first aid trained, see you later.
Screw you guys, I'm going home.
I can also refuse to give someone mouth to mouth if I think they've got AIDS, which I'm not quite sure how you find out if they've got AIDS. I'm saying this on
I
camera.
assume you know someone.
Well, no, like if someone in the street is like dying.
Oh, that was clever around all of that.
Oh God, we're gonna die. Pretty. Nice, like, can I? Oh, I can zoom in while I'm filming. Well, that's new. Oh shit. That one's called the fanny wax. What you feel when you get waxed down there.
The fanny wax.
The fanny wax.
I've never been waxed down there.
No, me neither, but apparently that's what it feels like.
Visual representative.
Yes.
I was really expecting that bush to set on fire, to be fair.
Well, that is what happens when your bush gets set on fire.
Run, Dave!
No, this is another one. Bang, bang.
Oh, one bang.
Whee. The end.
Hello, camera.
The end. Desmond Moomba. Oh, falling over. Look at my shadow. Woo, shadowy.
There's another funny waxer.
No idea what it's
I like how that's now going to be referred to as the fanny waxer.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, the fanny waxer. And here, ladies and gentlemen, we have the fanny waxer.
Oh.
That's not going off properly.
Obviously, they didn't heat the wax to an appropriate temperature.
It's a failed funny waxer.
Is that one of the dodgy ones?
No, that was one of the good ones, I thought.
I kind of feel like we need to put Katy Perry's fireworks on right now. Snapchat on top.
Oh, I didn't set the others off.
Disappointment! Someone's getting married.
I want a funny waxer with a real bang.
But, no.
Uh,
Do you know today's my mum and dad's wedding
with a
anniversary?
squealer at the end.
With a squeal.
You still talk about fireworks?
Don't even know anymore.
The conversation's got that distorted at life. I have stomachache. Just so you all know.
Go poop?
No. Unfortunately not.
Oh, that's how my mum.
No. I've got Crohn's.
What?
It's like a disease.
Oh.
I either like shoot it out the back end like there is no tomorrow, or I get really blocked up. And I'm also talking about this on camera. This is definitely not going on my YouTube account. Actually, it might do.
Edit it out.
Hey, it's banned. I can't edit. I don't have the editing software yet. I need to pay for it.
Everyone has editing software.
I don't know.
YouTube capture on your phone.
Shut the door.
That's
Oh, that's
editing
Linux.
software.
Oh, yeah, Linux. I don't know. I'll maybe just like.
Is it dead?
Yeah.
Dom's getting bored.
No, it was
Oh.
the
Mini
the
violin.
dead line.
Oh, okay. Those cameras. Oh, I'm going home. Oh wait, I don't have one.
Pay good money to see this. This is shit.
And squat. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
This is a multi one.
I like how we all say "there we go," so we like. Wow.
Do it any louder!
What?
Back to
That was pretty good.
That's fine. Go on. Just hold your breath. Does that work?
Glower
Yeah,
next to
yeah,
your
yeah.
middle back
That's
one.
how it works. That works.
You've got a glower next to your middle back one.
Yeah, the middle back one. It's glowing.
Glowing. Glowing.
Glowing radiantly.
Feel a bit of
Radiant.
sand on top.
And pretty.
Uses head and shoulders.
Don't knock on my glass up, will you?
Bit late for that, mate. Just saying.
Single one.
Oh, a little bit of fizz.
Oh.
Oh.
Don't go back to it.
Oh, there we go. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Oh.
What the hell?
That one's called shitting with lactose.
We call that one the disappointment.
The disappointment. Just
It's because
disappointment.
it half went off, that's why.
I think if it was...
It was all meant to go out at once.
No, it's one of the ones that does go pop. pop.
Yeah, they are.
Oh,
There are
right.
ones like that, believe it or not.
I don't like
Shut
that
your face,
one,
you don't know
though.
anything about
I'm not sure if
fireworks.
it's gone out or not.
Yeah.
Look
I
at
think
him,
if it-
thinking he's a firework technician over here.
Kick it
Fail
out.
whale.
Hello, camera.
Hello, camera.
Kick it over.
Don't do that.
Hello, camera. Hi,
There we
camera.
If it goes off now, it'll just burn that tree. It'll be fine.
I didn't want it. Eh?
This is why Dave's doing the fireworks.
I'll take £50 for that
Yeah, but
gardening
he's
service of
taking my
yours.
advice as well.
No. Dom, maybe you should be doing the fireworks.
I'd be tempted to shove my name in him and my house.
No, but the thing is with like,
Shit, man.
They go really high, those.
the thing is with Dom is, bless him, he's
I
half
think that's
there.
probably more the
Need some
disappointment. Really fast and you can't see it.
Yeah.
Don't see it coming.
Brought some back and put them on the floor.
I wouldn't call that disappointment. I call that
We've
non-consensual.
got a box over there.
Got that
You're
one
all in the
over there.
way
Should we do a
of
team
the
setup?
camera.
Just grab a whole load of random.
Hello, camera.
Oh, God. You just raped the camera.
Yeah.
Tom action. You're all in the way.
Hello, camera.
Fuck off, camera doesn't care.
Fine, be like that, camera. I don't care you anyway.
Oh, he's upset by camera. Drugs.
No, I wish I was.
The camera. You wish he was on the
Oh,
Yeah, I
camera.
was on
All
there.
over the
Well,
camera.
Oh,
Tried to be on the camera. but
tried to be on the
didn't
camera.
want
No, the camera doesn't want it. Fireworks. They go pew 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 pew.
it. No, that's laser beams.
You're a fucking laser beam.
I wish I was.
Your face is a laser beam.
Oh, burn!
Oh,
You don't get it. You don't get the joke.
no.
It's because you fail. You're a fail whale.
Oh,
So is he.
A whale.
Whale! You just called me a whale! Oh, this bitch called me a whale!
No,
Don't talk to me, don't talk to me, don't talk to me,
You can't even whale properly.
don't talk to me.
It's like if you wanted
No, I
to be
don't
a
want to, I
whale,
don't want you to talk to me,
couldn't
I
be.
don't want you to talk to me.
Well, I'm not talking
Shut
to
the
you.
fuck up!
I'm just
You're
making
talking to me!
noises in your general
I'm gonna
direction.
punch you. I'm gonna punch you very hard.
I'm going to walk away.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to be in the middle of this domestic.
Penguin
No,
fight.
that's fine. I need to practice on my restraint skills. So.
Bitch, I know restraint as well, I'm Maybo trained. Oh my days. Charlie.
Oh God. I feel
Charlie.
Hey, want to hear a noise?
Charlie the unicorn, ladies and gentlemen.
Leopardon.
I'm Charlie,
The
magical Leopardon.
We're on a bridge.
It's Charlie on a bridge. I used to do that to my friend when we went
My friend
driving.
was called Charlie.
No, when we went driving, I used to go, "We're going round a corner, Charlie! Corners!" I'm surprised she didn't kick me out of the car.
My friend was called Charlie, and I
You'd
used
know that friend.
Oh, that
Yeah,
one.
that one. That friend.
Friend.
It's the one I've heard.
Friend. Yeah.
Okay.
Run! I feel like when I edit that, I need to put on like the Baywatch theme tune when they ran there. It would have been perfect. Oh.
That's what the editing software's for.
YouTube capture.
Ow. Poo.
We ran for that.
Oh, the disappointment. Much disappointment. Such bad.
Teenage
Run more
Mutant Ninja Turtles.
dramatically next time.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
I imagine it'd be a really good idea to get married on Bonfire Night, because then you don't have to pay for any fireworks.
My mum and dad were married
Yeah,
on
but it's
Bonfire
freezing
Night.
and it's always fucking cold. And
No, it's not. It was quite warm actually when they got married. Do you know what she dressed me in when they got married? This pink and like green tartan fucking skirt, like a white crinkly shirt, a fucking bright pink furry gillet. I was like 9, but I didn't like pink, and I got like pink knee-high boots.
At my mum's wedding, she wore red and we wore white.
That makes sense.
Mum didn't want to wear white.
Well, you know. Just didn't even like pink. No, it was Lennox. I don't think Kay would appear right now.
Kay's probably eating all the burgers now.
Probably. Laid on bed like,
Burger sauce on
I am the Burger King.
I am the Burger King.
Don't go back to it.
Put a banana in your ear.
Oh.
Put a ripe banana in your most favorite ear.
Yeah.
It's true. Camera skills, right there. Oh. Oh, smoky. Kaboom.
Sounds legit.
I know, right? So legit. I am a firework. Kaboom. Whee! Pop. Oh, pop fizzle. We pop fizzle.
You can probably set a load of them off at once because they're so
Ready?
The big ones.
I
Yeah.
don't want to.
Whee! Pop fizzle. See, I told you I'm a firework. Whee! Pop fizzle. Theirs sounds better than ours. Just saying.
Those ones have got well. That one looks like an angle.
Oh. Oh. Oh, the sound of disappointment. Oh.
Have both of you got a lighter?
Oh. I have a lighter.
Because double team the big one.
Do you want that?
Is that what you want to see, right?
It's called cricket.
Do you want to
Do
see
it on
the-
camera.
What? No, you're not abusing my camera, guys. I've only got like
That
2
wants
minutes
to
left
see
of
the
filming.
double team.
Oh look, the burning fanny again.
I like the funny part at the end.
I know, that's a good fanny part. I've only got like 2 minutes left on here. Oh.
Is anyone going to sit and watch the whole thing, do you think?
Well,
edit it.
yeah.
Oh, you're gonna
I
edit
have
it?
like a load of
You're not
I
gonna
have like
edit
I
it,
have
are you?
13 subscribers, but loads of people watch my videos. I've had like 239 views on my Alcon one. Oh,
Yeah, that's
disappointment.
Alcon.
Okay, I'm gonna film it just this little bit. What? Oh.
Oh.
I think they were all meant to go off the
The fuck is that doing? Fucking like it. What the fuck are they doing? Shut the fuck up! You're in our fireworks.